In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your tax bracket using the Turbotax system. If you're feeling overwhelmed by taxes and all the jargon it involves, don't worry. Today's session will break it down for you step by step. Our focus is on making tax filing easier and helping you understand where you stand in terms of your tax obligations. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to the Turbotax official website. Turbotax is a great tool for filing your taxes online because it simplifies the entire tax filing process. Now, once you're on the home page, what you'll want to do next is look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, just enter your login details. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is pretty straightforward. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Turbotax home screen. From here, you'll want to go through your tax documents and ensure everything is up to date and ready for input into the system. Having all your paperwork in order will make this process much smoother, as it allows Turbotax to accurately assess your information. When you're ready, search for an option labelled Explain My Taxes and click on it. This is usually available in the navigation menu, and it's crucial because it assists in explaining what each section is about as you fill out your tax forms. This feature provides you valuable insights into your tax setup and helps you learn more as you proceed through the process. After clicking on it, Turbotax will guide you through various tax elements and calculations involved in finding your specific tax bracket. The next thing you'll need to do is take a closer look at the section labelled Important. This area typically covers essential tax rule changes, deductions you qualify for, and any exemptions. Understanding this section is key, as it often highlights crucial updates that can influence your taxes for the year. Turbotax ensures that you are informed about these updates, which can significantly affect your tax bracket and how much you owe. And there you have it. By following these steps, Turbotax does most of the heavy lifting and helps you uncover your tax bracket with ease. The tool makes it easy for anyone, even with little tax knowledge, to understand their standing. Remember to double check all the information you input for accuracy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now more comfortable with navigating tax brackets using Turbotax. Make sure to save your progress as you go and keep an eye out for any notifications or updates from Turbotax regarding your taxes. Thanks for watching and good luck with your filing.